It's on 8, 9, little tightness. Now little race, full press the clutch, second gear. Now release the clutch with a race. Let's divide this windshield into two sections, one this section and another this section. This is speed breaker, it's on 5th gear, brake, 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 full clutch press, 3rd gear, then 2nd gear. Hold on the clutch. Okay, hold on the clutch, it's on 2nd gear. You can see I have made it to 2nd gear from 5th gear. From here to there, this is the zone I have to keep on the empty space of the road. Exactly at 24-25 speed, I'm just feeling some tightness. Okay, there's no 2nd gear, press the clutch, 3rd gear, release the clutch with a race. Observe the middle and just go outside of your car. The vehicle is coming from the right side, just keep that vehicle outside this in front of your left wheel and the bonnet corner. Just mark a line like this. The vehicle is bigger like bus or truck, okay, like 8 feet or more than that, you have to keep that vehicle outside this section. If your car is moving at some certain amount of speed of around 30 to 40, a speed breaker comes in. What you have to do, you have from where we see our car middle is traveling, from there the car left wheel travels. You just need to reduce the speed with the brake, hold on the clutch, 2nd gear, bumper crossed, speed breaker crossed. Now again 2nd gear, little race, then again 3rd gear. 37, 38, clutch press, 4th gear, release the clutch with a race. Hey guys, welcome to one more new video. So this is the second video of the channel, and in this video we'll be learning how to drive smoothly, how to downshift and upshift quickly, and how to judge your car. If you're new to this channel, please do watch the first video before watching this video. So I'll be just driving this vehicle, watch my gear shifting, how I'm pressing my clutch, how much acceleration I am giving, and how I'm judging my vehicle, and how I'm overtaking any vehicle. So let's get started. So before starting the vehicle, I will be explaining one more time how to judge your vehicle in short. So basically, whichever car you're having, whatever length it might be, the width of the car doesn't matter. Just watch out the middle of the car. Just divide this windshield into two sections, one this section and another this section. Okay, then you have to observe the wall beam. Adjust the wall beam like this. Little bit of the car body will be visible and the whole road. This wall beam also like this. Okay, and this rear beam you have to adjust in such a way the whole rear section will be visible. Okay, after doing that, make sure you have enough leg room over here, and the steering, adjust the steering according as per you are comfortable with. Okay, so right now you can see there are some markings over there. So this two marking just beside of my steering is used for the steering judgment or steering control, you can say. So this marking just give a 1-inch gap from here, one line over here and another line over here. So from here to there, this is the zone I have to keep on the empty space of the road, and no vehicle should not be inside this zone. This is the danger zone, you can say. Next, you have to just observe the middle and just go outside of your car. Just check out my last video, I have described how to mark this line. You have to just go exact bonnet corner, okay, in front of the left wheel and the bonnet corner. From there, just imagine a line coming inside. Just go outside of your car, exact bonnet corner and the left wheel. There is a gap right like this, okay, in front of your left wheel and the bonnet corner. Just mark a line like this. And if you are driving from this side, okay, similar thing will be on this side. So whichever vehicle I'll be crossing, first of all, I have to keep that vehicle left side of the middle of the car. Next, if the vehicle is bigger like bus or truck, okay, like 8 feet or more than that, you have to keep that vehicle outside this section. And always remember, from where we see our car middle is traveling, from there the car left wheel travels. Observe over here very carefully. I can see there is some bamboos out there, okay, there is a car out there. I can see my middle of my car is over here, but you can see there is a huge space out there. So wherever we see our car middle is traveling, from there the car left wheel and the left body travels. There are two possibilities, any small car or any bigger vehicles. Okay, if you're crossing any bike or scooty, you can give a gap of around 6 to 5 inch, okay, from here like this. It will be an imagination like this, okay, you can cross it easily. And if there is any bigger bus or truck, you have to keep it outside this line. Okay, so right now I'll be driving the vehicle, and please watch the last video. That video is in detail how to gear shift. In this video I'll be giving you a gist how to drive your car very smoothly. So let's get started. So right now I'll be just starting my car. Make sure to just put your handbrake down, okay, and the right leg will be on the brake like this, okay, and the clutch will be fully pressed down. Gear 1, start. You can also start your car on neutral as well. Okay, so my gear exactly at gear 1, I'll be just releasing the clutch to move ahead, okay, like this. And make sure that over here in the beginning, when you are just starting your car, you don't need to give any race on the first gear. Releasing my clutch and the car is moving ahead, okay, like this. And when I'll be crossing 10 speed, I'll be giving it to put on 2nd gear, okay, like this. It's on 8, 9, little tightness. Now little race, full press the clutch, 2nd gear. Now release the clutch with a race like this. Okay, now observe this video very carefully. There is a speed breaker ahead. I just need to slow the car down, little bit of brake, okay, little bit of brake, hold the clutch, 2nd gear, the both wheel crosses, then little race. The car is moving on 2nd gear. Right now again, while the car is exactly at 24-25 speed, I'm just feeling some tightness, okay, there's no 2nd gear, press the clutch, third gear, release the clutch with the race, like this. Okay, you can see my car is traveling exactly at third gear. Observe it very carefully and always watch the ORVM, the left side and the right side. Okay, it's the third gear. Little race, always remember to keep the race constant, steady race, okay, not much. Don't press the race pedal, just keep it slight, okay, slight race. It's in the third gear. I'll be giving more race. Now the speed is going up to 34, 35, 37, 38. You'll be feeling some tightness, then fourth gear is needed, okay. But there is a speed breaker ahead. I'll be not giving much race. Keeping at 30 or third gear, okay, 34, 35 speed, moderate speed. So I can see this vehicle over here, but the actual position of that vehicle is out there. So if I want to cross that vehicle, I have to take that vehicle on my left side of my middle of my car. Over here you can see there's a speed breaker out there. Little brake, okay, hold the clutch, second gear. The car wheel is crossing the speed breaker on second gear. Both wheel crossed, second gear, little race, okay. Another speed breaker ahead. On the second gear, I'm keeping at second gear, okay. Speed breaker coming up, little brake, hold the clutch, second gear, okay. If my car slows down much more over here, then I need to put on fast gear, okay. Second gear, the speed is 23, 24, going up, feeling some tightness, 27, clutch press, third gear, release the clutch with the race. Now my car is exactly moving at third gear. Right now I'm crossing this vehicle, okay. You can see the vehicle is outside that red line. It's in the third gear, taking the speed 40, clutch press, fourth gear. Now the speed is 40, gear is fourth gear. Constant steady race, okay. The car is moving exactly at fourth gear. So now I can't put on fifth gear because there are some vehicles ahead, okay. Always use your fifth gear when the road is empty, okay. So all these vehicles is coming on my right side. Over here I'm slowing it down, third gear, fourth gear to third gear, okay. It's on third gear, giving race, taking the speed to 34, 35, 36, 38, 39, clutch, fourth gear, releasing the clutch, release the clutch with the race like this, okay. Now I can give it to fifth gear because the road is empty in front of me. Little more race, 47, 48, I'm feeling some tightness, clutch, fifth gear, okay, release the clutch with the race like this. The car is running exactly at fourth gear. Right now I'll be going from fourth gear to third gear. For that, similarly, I have to give little much of brake just to slow down the speed, not to stop the car. This brake is just to slow down the car. Speed breaker, third gear, second gear. Just see, there's a speed breaker ahead, okay. I cross the speed breaker, okay. Again another one. The gear is on second gear, little bit of brake, second gear, clutch. Always hold the clutch if the car is very slow and the gear is on second gear, okay. Hold the clutch. If the car is exactly at gear 1, don't need to hold the clutch, you can move, you just cross the speed breaker. Speed is 22, gear second gear, little bit of race, 27, clutch press, third gear, like this, okay. Can you see the foot movements, right? The car is exactly at third gear, giving a little bit of race. On this scooty is coming inside this one, okay. Little bit of brake, and whichever vehicle is coming from the right side, just keep that vehicle outside this line, okay. Now clutch press, second gear. So right now I'm just driving my vehicle very slowly so that you can understand. The gear is exactly at second gear. There is a bumper, speed breaker, little bit of brake. I crossed it with half clutch. Now right like this, second gear, okay. Now like this, second gear. Now again third gear. There are a hell lot of speed breakers out there. Another speed breaker is on third gear, brake, slowing it down, full clutch press, second gear, crossing the speed breaker like this, okay. It's done. It's on second gear, release the clutch with the race. Now I need to give third gear, okay. Now race, third gear. It's 30 speed, okay, 29 approximately. Now my car is moving exactly at third gear, okay. Speed is 40, I'm feeling some tightness, clutch press, fourth gear, release the clutch with the race. Release the clutch with the race, okay. And you should do this thing very quickly and smoothly. My car is traveling exactly at fourth gear. The road is somehow empty. I can give it to fifth gear if I'm sure. Make sure the road is empty before you give it to fifth gear, okay. Fourth gear. Now clutch press, fifth gear, release the clutch with the race. Now my car is traveling exactly at 48, 49, 50 speed and fifth gear, okay. Right now I need to give it to fourth gear one more time, downshift from fifth gear, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, like this. Little bit of brake just to reduce the speed. The speed is getting reduced to 40. Now more brake. Now I can clutch and fourth gear. Now my car is exactly at fourth gear. Now from fourth gear to third gear, more brake just to slow down the speed. Slowing down the speed, okay. Slowing down the speed, third gear, okay, like this. like this. My car is exactly moving at 25-26 speed, third gear, little race. From here I'll be going to the left, indicator, left side, little bit of brake, okay, taking the speed on 33 to second gear, third gear, okay. Now clutching, second gear, you can see 17, 16, clutching, fast gear. So this is the way of how to downshift. Always remember, while we downshift, we just need to reduce the speed fast, then downshift the gear, okay, or else there will be a huge jerk while you downshift. Fast gear, little race, second gear, like this. So this is the exact way of how to upshift and downshift. Second gear, now again third gear, okay, like this. My car is exactly running at third gear, 35 speed, feeling some tightness, full clutch press, fourth gear, release the clutch with the race. So this is the exact way of how to drive, okay. Now you can see there are some vehicles in front of me. Always remember to just keep the vehicles left side of the middle. There is a speed breaker, brake, reduce the speed, gear 3, gear 2, okay, like this. So always remember, if your car is moving at some certain amount of speed of around 30 to 40, a speed breaker comes in. What you have to do, you have to just need to reduce the speed with the brake, hold on the clutch, second gear, bumper crossed, speed breaker crossed. Now again second gear, little race, then again third gear, like this. So this is the exact way of how to drive, guys, okay. See over there, there is a vehicle in front of me. I'll just cross it. I'll be just keeping that vehicle left side of my middle of my car. You can see out there. So over here I can see over here, okay, crossing it, crossed, okay, safely. If any vehicle is coming to this section outside this reference line, you can cross it very easily, okay, no issues with it. The vehicle is running at third gear, okay, more speed, 39-40, clutch press, fourth gear, release the clutch with the race, release the clutch with the race, okay. It's on the fourth gear, okay, it's very easy. Now there's a turning, don't give fifth gear over here, just a little bit of brake over there, okay, brake, fourth gear. So every time if you have to just slow down your car for a second, don't downshift the gear, just release the race pedal, okay, just let the car roll, okay, like this. I'm moving at fourth gear. If somehow I just need to slow down over here, I'll be just like this, doing like this, no race, just slight brake, okay, side brake. The speed is decreasing. Now again race. So I just let the car flow, okay, with the motion. It's on fourth gear, okay. I need to give it to third gear, then again brake. See over here, braking, 36, 35, slowing it down, more, 32, clutch press, third gear, like this. You can see it's in third gear, okay, like this, third gear, okay, clutch press, second gear, okay, second gear, like this. So this is the exact technique of how to drive a manual car, guys. So right now I'll be just turning my car like this, okay, watch over here, second gear, now again third gear, going like this. I'll be just turning my car over here, okay, right indicator, just view my back rear section, no vehicle there, yeah, there's some vehicles coming out there. I just need to turn my car, okay. I stopped over here, okay, it's on the fast gear, holding my clutch, watch my back, there's a bus out there. I just need to turn my vehicle from here to that side, okay. First gear, just rotate your steering to the extreme right section, okay, right side. There's a bike out there, it's coming, watch out the warp while you turn your car, okay, like this. It turned, fast gear, little race, second gear, okay, like this. I put on second gear, now again third gear, okay, like this. While we put on race, we just shift the gear up, okay, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, clutch press, fourth gear, release the clutch with the race, like this. So this is the exact way how to drive. Fourth gear, much more race, 47, 48, feeling tightness, clutch press, fifth gear, release the race with the clutch, release the clutch with the race. Like this. I'm traveling at fifth gear, okay, speed is 52. And always remember, don't give much acceleration. Acceleration should be steady to get a good mileage of your car, okay. It's on fifth gear, I'm moving like this. The speed is 45, 40. It's on fifth gear. And always remember, guys, whichever vehicle we see over here, no, that vehicle is not over here, that vehicle is over there. You can see there's an auto out there, okay, that auto is going from there. I can see from here, it's over here, but it's over there. So as we see from far away, we see objects right side, closer to the right side, okay. As we see this guy, no traffic rules, nothing. There's a speed breaker, it's on 5th gear. Brake, 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 full clutch press, 3rd gear, then 2nd gear. Hold on the clutch. Okay, hold on the clutch, it's on 2nd gear. You can see I have made it to 2nd gear from 5th gear directly. Just hold on the clutch and always little brake. One more speed breaker, it's on 2nd gear. Braking, braking, hold the clutch, it's crossed, speed breaker crossed. Again, little more race, then again 3rd gear. Always remember to slow down before if you are crossing any speed breakers, and if your car speed is much more, hold on the clutch with brake. It's on 3rd gear. Okay, it's on 3rd gear. Now again 2nd gear, like this. It's on 4th gear right now. Okay, more race, 47, 48, it's 40, 49. I'm feeling some tightness. Clutch press, 5th gear, like this. Okay, so this is the exact way of how to upshift and downshift, guys. And always observe the verbium while you drive. From where we see this section is going, from there our right wheel will travel, and from where we see our car middle goes, from there the left wheel travels. Okay, my foot movement camera has been shut down because there is no battery in it. Okay, it's on 4th gear. Right now the road is empty. I can give it to 5th gear. You can see there's a white line out there. If I'm trying to keep this part on this white line, my right wheels is just going from this line. Okay, I'm slowly coming to the left side, so I'm driving like this. And one more thing, guys, while you drive, maintain a gap of around 3 feet onto your left side, because if somehow any vehicle is coming from this side, if it pushes you this side, then you are having some space to go to the left side. So always keep a gap of around 3 feet on your left side. 5th gear, then again 2nd gear. My foot movement camera has been turned off. Press down the clutch. I'm just holding the clutch. Release the clutch with the race. So 2nd gear. Now again 3rd gear. Again there's a speed breaker ahead. I have to slow it down. Right now it's on 3rd gear. Brake, 2nd gear. Okay, crossing the speed breakers. 2nd gear, crossed. Now again race, clutch, 3rd gear. So this is the way of how to shift. Okay guys, it's very easy. I hope this video will be helping you a lot. If you think this video is helpful, I tried my best to explain it to you, but my English is not so good. Okay, there are some grammatical mistakes and some words. I just sometimes stammer speaking English, but I'm trying my best to explain it to you. Okay, so over here this vehicle is coming from there. Okay, it's going from there. I need to cross it, so I just need to keep that vehicle left side of my middle of my car. Okay, make sure no vehicle should be inside right side. Okay, no vehicle should be on the right side of the middle of the car. That's it, whichever vehicle you cross, because that's very dangerous. If any vehicle is over there, you can see this vehicle is right side of the middle of my car. If I go, and then my car left side will be clashing with it. Okay, it will touch it like this. My car is exactly at 3rd gear. Race, now more race, touching 40, now 4th gear. Going this side because there is a car out there. Okay, now again 5th gear. So this is the way how to drive, guys. I hope you have liked this video. I'm giving this video this much, and please watch the last video. You should watch it because there is a much detail in that video how to gear shift. Okay, so meet you on my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys. Safe drive and safe life. Have a nice day. Bye bye.